Hi all, in this session we will see how we can undo a commit in the local repo. First we will add files to add it to commit. I'm creating a file with the file name file2. So in the local we have file1 and file2. So file2 is the newly created one. I'll show git status. So it's in untracked state. Now I'll move this file to staging area by running this command git add file2. Now the file is moved to staging area. Now I'm going to commit with this message add file2. So now in the left hand side you can see the graph that is showing in the Visual VS Code. The commit after the initial commit, the new commit that we recently made, that is showing here. What if we need to undo this change? So how to do it? One is we have the commit, right? Before this commit, the file was in staging area. So if you want to remove this commit and move the file that is as part of this commit into a staging area, then we need to run the command git reset --soft, then head and the relative symbol. Head is the last commit, and where we want to reset to the previous commit, right? If you run this command, this will remove the commit and move the files that are added as part of this commit to staging area. We'll run this command and see. Now in the left hand side you can see the file2 that was added in the commit was moved back to the staging area, and in the graph commit history you can see that the commit got deleted. So this way you can undo a change. I'll add the file again. Commit. So now the file is committed, the commit is added again, and the file that you see in the staging area is not there because it is moved to commit. In the previously we saw how to remove the commit and move the files back to the staging area. Now we will see how to move the files to the untracked status. We don't want to move to the staging area. Instead we want to move to the untracked status. So currently if you see, there is no untracked files in the directory, right? So there is one commit now. Called add file2. Now we will run the command git reset --mixed head. So we want to move the commit head to the previous one, right? And if we run this one, you can see the file that was added as part of the add file2 commit. That particular commit got removed from the history, and whatever the files is moved to the untracked status. If you run git status, it will show as the file2 is in untracked status. This way you can undo a commit, provided the commit is in your local repo, not pushed to the remote. So this is a disclaimer. If the commit is available in your local repo, and if you want to undo it, we can use these two commands to do that. Thanks for watching.